Hello and welcome to this video on Power BI. In this video, let us take a look at how we can connect to Excel data sources from Power BI. There are multiple ways to connect to Excel data sources from Power BI. So one direct option is what you are seeing here, import data from Excel. Similarly, you can connect to Excel workbooks from the option that is present here. From get data also you can connect to Excel workbooks. And apart from these three options, you are having one more option which you can do from Power Query. So once you click on this new source drop down, it is going to show the Excel workbook to which we can connect to. So in this case, I'm going to just connect from this option that I'm seeing here. So the moment I click on this, it is going to show me all the Excel files that I'm having in my local folder. So I'm going to just click on financial analysis. So it is going to show me all the sheets that are present in the workbook. So in my workbook, these are the sheets and these are the tables that are present. So I'm going to just import one of these sheets. So as you can see, it is currently showing this entire data as a single table. And from this view, I can see that my first row, which is the header row, is being considered as one of the rows in the table. So to handle this, I'm going to click on transform data. So I can also click on load data, which is going to load the data directly into Power BI. But in my case, since I want to push this header row into actual headers, I'm going to click on transform data. So this is going to open the Power Query for me. So there is an option here to use the first row as headers. So I click on this and my first row gets moved into headers. I want to just verify if my data type is good. I see that my data type is good. So I'm going to just click on close and apply. So doing this will bring the data into Power BI. So with the data that is imported into Power BI is going to be displayed here. As you can see, this is the table and these are all the columns that are present in the table. From this on, it is a pretty straightforward approach to build the visuals. You can directly go ahead and build the visuals. So this is going to show me the value of the asset.